Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete profile photo on Instagram PC. We start by opening our Instagram profile in the browser. Next, click on our profile image. Next, we click on Remove Current Photo, and in a few seconds we will see how our image is deleted and a default one appears. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.